Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the chicken I'm going to be cutting. The Italians call this one Gallina. Normally we used to buy the one that is already cut, but whenever we want to go for the one that looks and tastes like our Nigerian chicken, we do go for this one. And when we buy it, I'm the one that normally cut it because it is very simple to cut. The bone is not that strong at all. So what I'm doing here is just filing my knife. I want it to be very sharp, and right now it is sharp. So I'm going to be using the knife to cut the chicken, just basically cutting the chicken into my desired sizes, and you can cut it into however you want the sizes to be. If you want it to be very big, you can just leave it just like this one. Now you can leave it like that, but I'm going to be cutting it into two. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. So normally I always like to start with the thighs or the laps. I don't know what you call it, but that's the part I always start with. Then after that I move over to the wings and then the other part of the chicken. So it is super easy and simple to do, and the reason I'm making this video is because I know there are some people out there who find it difficult to cut their own chicken. They prefer to buy the one that is already cut, but in a situation where you can't find that and this is the one you are able to find, I guess this video helps you to like cut your chicken the way you want the sizes to be. And if you have a cutting machine, that's fine too. But I don't have any, so my hand is my cutting machine for now. And it is very easy for me. Like I don't know, for some reason I enjoy doing this. I don't know, don't ask me why. All right, so I'm going to be cutting out the butt because I don't like it. We don't eat it. But if you like it, you can leave it as well. So as you can see here, the bone is not that strong. That is like probably the #1 reason why I like cutting my chicken myself. The bone is not that strong. Once you hit your palm on the knife for like 3 to 4 times, the thing will just cut into two. Like it is that easy and simple. So right now I'm done cutting the chicken, and this is what they look like. So this is what I made with the chicken. I hope you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to see what I made with the chicken. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.